Saravanan is the eldest son. Since he is the groom, we are here to discuss. Talk to the man.
Yeah, that's right. About you, about your family, and about her also. Broker told us everything. Even their stars are a good match, it seems. Isn't that right? We are happy with the proposal.
Well, other...
Yeah, about that.
I don't want anything as dowry. My both sons are earning very well. Fix an auspicious day and time for engagement and marriage.
Yeah.
Brother told me everything in the phone.
Is it?
Hey, you didn't take the cool drinks.
I think it's getting late. Let's go, Mummy.
At least drink some juice for
He
me.
is insisting so much. Have it, son.
Then what you're doing? Did I
What are
ask
you
you something
doing?
wrong?
If anyone asks questions while eating, he gets chopped. Be careful, dear.
Please drink.
Oh my God.
Okay, now you tell me what you're doing.
It seems he won't leave me alone. I would like to talk to her alone.
Hey, what
Keep
are you
quiet,
telling?
Mom.
You can talk.
What should I ask her? I have no clue.
Tell me. What's it?
Can you please give me your mobile?
My mobile?
Give it to me. She's using camera mobile.
What are you trying to do?
That's nothing. I'll give a missed call to Saravanan. See, he'll call you back. Oh. Didn't I tell you? See how fast he is. Now do you understand how much he loves you? Okay, just a minute.
Hello, Nandini?
What is it, Saravanan? Did that cow deliver a calf yet?
Hello? Nandini? Hello? Who is this? Hello? Tell me who is this? Hello?
Wait. Now talk to the calf. Talk to him. He's on the line.
You
Talk
want me
to him.
talk?
Come on, talk to him.
Hello?
What happened, Nandini? Any problem?
Sorry. Please keep talking.
What happened?
What, brother? Did he talk?
My brother wanted to talk to her. That's why I connected the line.
I saw her face only on the wedding day. Now the technology is improved so much. What you say? Then brother, what you're doing?
Sir, I'm actually... just a minute. Hello? Yeah, tell me, buddy. Hello? I think the tower is a bit weak here. Just a minute. I'll just talk to him and come.
Carry on.
Hello?
He's
Yeah, how are you,
always
man?
busy like this.
I couldn't believe. Everything got fixed very soon. Do you like me?
You get a missed call, you'll call immediately or what? I should first cut the phone bill immediately after marriage.
Oh God. So you like me?
Sorry, sir. It's a close friend. He was in school with me. He wanted a job in Dubai. That's why I arranged it for
Between
him.
this important matter,
I am asking you. You are not telling. Tell me what you're doing. Brother, don't feel shy.
I just finished my degree. Waiting for the passport. Once it comes, I'll go abroad.
By the way, where did you finish your degree? Mumbai or Chennai?
Before this guy asks all sorts of questions and kills me, Mommy, shall we leave? Sir, we're making a leave. You can decide on a date and let us know.
Yeah.
Okay, sir? Okay,
Please,
ma'am.
Carl.
Come on, let's
Okay,
go
bye.
fast.
Bye.
Enough, enough.
We'll
That's
visit
not
temple
required,
and
mom.
go.
Come, let's
Just
go.
5 minutes only, please. Hey, please listen. Let me go, please. Hey, what happened? You got fine only just before.
Come, dear. You
careful.
came at the right time. Brother,
You want water?
enough. Stop. How long you're
Tell
going to
me,
act
what
like this?
happened?
It's enough. I've already told you. This is
Yeah,
my
yeah.
second daughter, Chandrika.
Oh,
Hello, Auntie.
This is
Greetings,
bridegroom's
dear.
mother. She has finished MSc.
Oh, I see.
She's a training lecturer here.
oh.
He is bridegroom's brother. His
Oh,
name is Bhaskaran.
Have seen him somewhere, I guess. What is he doing, Dad?
He finished his degree, waiting for the passport. When he gets it, he'll fly. What, brother? Am I right?
Actually, which country are you going? Dubai? Abu Dhabi? Dubai Main Road? Dubai Cross Street?
We are leaving here.
Welcome.
Hey, we
I
are going
told
to
you we
temple.
have to
Just
leave
only
early.
10 minutes.
Why do you want
I
to
must
stand
go.
here and waste time?
You should
Brother,
come with me.
something
No,
important.
Please leave me alone, sir. Mommy, come.
Look at
Hey,
him
are we
here.
going to
He's
temple?
funny.
If you
Come.
want, you can go to the temple. I'm going home.
Dad, have you properly cross-checked? Is bridegroom really a veterinary doctor?
Why you asking like this? Certainly I inquired. Bridegroom is a veterinary doctor at Tanjavur. Monthly 25,000 rupees salary. Responsible person. No liquor, no cigarette, no bad habits.
Okay. Because already I know his brother.
I have inquired about him also. His name is Bhaskar. He didn't finish his degree. He has got no job at all. He is roaming around some saloon shop. An irresponsible person. If you want to describe him in one word, a useless fellow.
Key. Bike key.
Give him the keys.
Hello.
Wow.
Be careful, man.
What, man? The cart is very strong. Was it a part of the dowry?
Do you think that father-in-law gave it?
Okay, man. What are you doing here?
Hey, it's my brother's first night, man.
Your brother's first night only, no. But what are you
I have
doing
to make
here?
arrangements in the room, right?
This is all done by flower sellers. Dude, new film has released. Let's watch it. Come.
I don't have money with me, man.
You have it in your bureau then. Say don't have money, man. Why add pockets to it? Anyway, I buy the tickets every time. I'll wait downstairs, dude. Come quickly. Come with some side dish, man.
Is everything ready?
What, bro? You are here?
To tighten the screws of cart.
She's Chandrika.
Oh.
He is Nalatambi, our VIP's best friend.
Hi.
Hello.
Greetings. Oh.
Hey,
okay.
buddy.
Huh?
Make sure your wife and children had food. Your elder son has school today. He'll be late for school.
Just shake my hands on it, oh, man.
Yeah, okay.
How much ever friendly when it comes to girls, he takes no chances.
Nalatambi has a saloon in our area. If you know the name of the shop, you'll start laughing.
What?
And the name is Tala Talapadi.
Talapadi. What is the VIP?
You don't know what is VIP?
Uh-huh.
It's very irritating. Very important person. The reason he's doing all
How
these
would
jobs.
she know that sitting idle is a big
What
job?
boss? Is everything going fine? If you do this properly, for all the marriages, I'll appoint you as the decoration head.
Hey, shut
Okay?
up and get lost.
What are you trying to do?
Huh? Oh my god, how long do I have to struggle with this?
Sing in the rain, I'm swaying in the rain, I'm swaying.
Huh? Swaying in the rain. And that too with me. Oh my god, she made fun of me.
Hey, listen, battery is low. Say it quickly, else it will switch off. Hey, Talapadi. How are you, brother? He called only me, not you. Yeah, bro, I'm coming. How will it succeed if you ask me like that? We are leaders of the town. We'll discuss about the election coalition. I'm telling you, keep it in your mind. Come 2 steps behind me while I'm in public. Because I am library, you are paper. See, go and buy 2 tickets. I will talk to him and come. Boss, you need to work like fire. Greetings, bro. Bro, how are you? Are you fine? This skinhead guy here to buy theatre or collect loan due. Greetings, bro. How are you doing?
Hello, brother. How are you?
I'm fine.
How's your business?
Mom,
Going on,
give me
bro.
some
Why
water.
did you come around my place? Looks like you're getting wealthier by the day.
Oh, bro. Only you can be fine in the place you live.
You're always like this, man. Okay, came for the
No,
movie.
to take a skirt.
This brother always speaks with some meaning.
He's a moral.
Okay, who is that guy? Is he your friend?
Forget about him, bro. He is a useless guy.
But if you have matchbox?
Sorry,
Boss,
I don't have
do you have an extra ticket?
No,
Sorry,
we don't
dude.
have.
What is
You-
this, boss?
Is it the theatre-like festival with the release of Ajit and Vijay films?
If this is like this, what if they both act in the same film?
No chance. Tala is different from Talapati, dude. Both can't unite, dude.
They have come together, boss.
What are you saying?
A man is running a saloon in the name of Tala Talapati, boss. It seems fans of Tala should come to a saloon. Fans of Talapati also should come to him. And those fans should fight each other. But he will make lots of money and be happy in his life. Is this justice, boss?
Boss, who is he? Where is he?
Look there. The man in white shirt who's talking business to that bald-headed man. Boss, be careful, boss. He can't take much. Did you see how I lit the fire?
Greeting,
Bro,
boss.
greetings,
Ajit
bro.
Fans Club.
Your hero has
Yeah.
many fans. Sure.
Okay.
This year, your hero's film will be great.
Yeah,
Super
sure.
duper
That's
hit.
right.
Talapati, I am a big fan of Vijay.
I thought you were Econ's fan. Are you Vijay's fan? Don't worry, bro. Your hero's film also will be great hit.
Why that name Tala Talabadi? Make it Tala.
Or make it Talapati.
You are all small kids. You don't know the philosophy of life. A coin has two sides. Life has happiness and sorrow. Like that, everything is same. Sky and earth, day and night, sun and moon, good and bad, north and south, east and west. These two things, if you get deep into
We
the
asked you
life.
about Tala and Talapati, but you are speaking like idiot.
Hey. These guys don't know respect, man.
Blood.
Thanks, bro. They are not decent like you.
Hey, we are worse than
Leave
them.
me, bro. Hey, leave me, bro.
Hey, why are you bleeding, man? Hey, who has the guts to fight Tala Talapati, man? What happened?
Leave it.
Buddy, why don't you start a ladies' beauty parlor in the name of Trisha and Asin?
Why? To get beaten up by all heroes, huh?
Hey, this is usual for a warrior, man.
Hey,
Hey, come on,
no,
come on.
man.
Hey,
Leave
give
me,
way for
leave
the
me.
warrior.
Hey,
Give
please,
way, give
dude,
way.
leave me.
Move.
Is everything ready or what?
The boys are getting everything ready. Boss, are these notes okay for you?
Not completely dry. Let it dry first.
Okay, boss.
What did Vijayawada Sam say?
The raid is over now. They'll get the stuff next week.
See, that guy also got married and got 2 children.
What, sister?
Look here. In Ennur, our counselor Seenu's daughter is there now. If we ask, he won't neglect.
All that is not required, sister. Just wait. I'll only get a girl.
When? Keep saying like this.
Hello?
Sir, I'm Anand.
Tell me.
Is the stuff ready?
Ah,
I want around 25.
how can you say immediately? Give me some 2 days time. We have to prepare 25 lakhs for Coimbatore Ketta.
For how much, sir?
Just for 100 rupees, but not for me, for my friend.
Sir, I'll recharge only for you. I can't recharge for any other person.
What do you mean? You can't do it. You can keep the call now. In 10 minutes, police will come to your house. Venugopal, number 7, SBI Colony, Arumbakam, Chennai. That's your address.
Sorry, sir. Give me your friend's number.
That's good. Anyway, I will send you the number. And along with it, 100 rupees for me also, okay?
Hey, bro, she's a very soft girl. Just leave her alone.
Is that so?
Yes, bro.
I'll think about it. Hey, what happened, bro? Why are you so depressed today?
That's nothing, bro. Not 1 or 2 days. For 4 days, he was sincerely running behind a girl. She did not even respond to this fellow. I think she was looking at me.
For 4 days? That too sincerely?
Bro, can you somehow get a number for me?
As if you get her number alone, this fellow is going to look glamorous in her eyes.
Hey, brother, somehow you get the number from her. I will convince her to love me. I have that belief on myself.
I like your confidence, bro. You should always maintain this. Which route she goes in?
Route or what?
Hey, I was asking about bus route.
Excuse me.
Yeah?
Can you see the address where it is?
Yeah, sure.
Please say no.
This street is in Indiranagar. You should go straight and...
Please, dude.
Huh? Yeah, you tell her.
Yeah, please.
Actually, you go straight. Then take an immediate left. And then an immediate right.
Okay.
In the dead end, there will be a small temple. From there, actually... Auntie,
Okay,
the
say.
address is a little confusing. Can I come along with you and show the place?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, I'll come now.
He is trying to act smart.
How?
Don't forget to call in the evening.
Okay, sweetheart. Bye.
Bro, I am not able to understand one thing.
Shut up and eat, man. For 1 day you gave address?
Bro, the world is round, bro.
Why are you like this, man?
Hey, leave it, man. Hey, bro. What, man? What is my due, man? 1,310 rupees. 1,310. Yeah, keep it. I know you won't have change for 1,000 in your shop. Keep it. Hey, it's looking very crisp, man. Serial number is also identical. Foreign money, man. It'll be like that only.
A man who was caught today having an illicit affair with the next house lady was killed today. Shocking news from Delhi. Hey, bro. She's a girl I told you. Bro, how is she? Beautiful?
For your range, you shouldn't look how the figure is, man. Whatever you get, you should be happy with it, okay? You need her number, right?
Bro, I'm believing you alone. My life should be happy and you're responsible for that, bro.
Okay, wait and watch.
Hey, did Priya tell you about something?
Madam, where does the bus stand?
Hey, it's that bus which is about to leave. Hey, poor thing, help him, no?
Oh my god, my phone.
Here.
Give me the SIM. I don't know if my phone is working. Please call me.
Tell me the number.
98843
98843
19293.
19293. It's ringing.
Is that so?
Huh?
I don't know what happened. Maybe the display is not working. Thank you.
Sir, it's already 10 o'clock. It's not possible to go out and do recharge now. Shall I do it in the morning? Hello? Hello, sir?
You don't have to call me sir anymore. You can call me Pugar. And then you have a good news. I have deleted all your recordings. And then I was thinking, mostly I don't have money with me. I must have tortured you, right? I won't do that again. I don't know what happened to me. I haven't spoken like this to anyone.
Dear. Look at him. He's always busy flirting with someone.
Hey, Pugar.
Huh?
If you talk also no problem, but ask her to cook well, okay?
What? She's talking about some girl who can cook?
That's nothing, Gayatri. My mom is a great cook.
Oh.
If you have my mom's cooking, you know what? Wow!
Shit! I've told you several times to add some masala in the curry, but you don't do it at all. Why don't you listen?
I understood. What a great master chef your mom is. Oh no. Hold on for a second. The current went off. This won't stand also.
Hello. Light up the matchstick and show it under the candle. It will stay.
Thanks.
Whomsoever you like and whoever is your friend, you should not say thank you, sorry and please. Okay then. I won't disturb you from now. Good night, Gayatri. Bye.
Mummy. Thank you so much, my friend. This is what I get for helping you, huh? They beat the shit out of me. I peed in my pants, you know.
Sundara,
I'm not Sundara.
take this parcel from your house.
Daddy. Mummy.
Hey, I think it's a smack.
Yes.
It's wrong inside the jail.
So what? Mind your business. Please, buddy.
Why?
They're already very angry on us if you do something stupid. They might put me in prison for the rest of my life.
We'll inform the jailer.
He was the one who gave it to him, buddy. You know something? If you go that way, you'll get cigarettes. If you go this way, you can talk on the phone. Some people say there's also a departmental store inside. Everybody knows about it, but they behave like they don't know anything. We should behave like them. You do not know anything. You did not see anything.
No, I witnessed
Please
it.
stop behaving like this. Don't be stubborn, okay?
Aravind, there is a visitor for you.
I wonder who it is.
I'm Raja Sendur Pandian, advocate. I saw you in the court. I would like to do something for you.
There are good people in the society. Thank you so much, sir. Because of his big mouth, they beat the living daylights out of me. I beg you, please get me out of here.
Behave properly from today.
Who, us?
Hey, go man.
Hey, look down. It's gone?
Why?
Too bad. My baby boo, my sweetheart, my lovey-dovey baby. Mwah. Come, let's go home.
Sir, there's no engine in my bike when the bike is in your
Hey,
custody.
go man.
Sir, you're answerable for that.
What answer do you
Hey,
want?
are you stupid to ask the person who robbed it?
Hey, who robbed? I'm robbed. Am I robber?
Hey, please stop it, you guys.
Stop it.
Get out. Get out from here. Go. Get out. Hey,
Stop.
it's against the rule. Why are you hitting him? What did he ask you?
Constable sir, it's not your business. Is it your business? You do your work. Don't interfere in our business. Damn old man interfering in all
I will
issues.
beat you, bloody.
Sir,
Go, just leave. Don't come back here.
Just look at these bikes. Only body parts. You're lucky you got your bike back. They misused the law. Too bad that you have to go through all this, Arvind. I'm sure these bikes will rust over here and nobody will be able to do anything about it. Because we came here in 4 days, only the engine is missing. If we had come here after a month, even the tires wouldn't be there. I'm telling you the truth. Don't look at me like that.
Hi.
Just miss. If not, they would have arrested you as well. You would have been in big trouble.
Will we get caught?
Yeah. I saw the way you ran in the coat.
Hey. Hi. Just 100 rupees.
They're
Went
calling
by
from the
bus,
office.
lost your purse,
Sir,
went to
sir,
station, went to
I'll come
court,
and
went to
complete the
prison.
project.
Lost the
I
engine of
swear,
your
sir.
bike.
Oh no!
What happened?
I lost my job.
Do we deserve this?
Hello, why you are talking unnecessarily?
She's talking to me, Arvind. What's your problem?
Ask her to leave.
I can't do that, Arvind, sir. This is public property. Anyone can come, anyone can go.
Then we'll go.
Okay. We are leaving.
Go.
Arvind,
She's torturing me.
my legs are aching. Wait. I'll ask for help. Buddy,
Buddy?
if you don't mind, can you help us, please?
With pleasure, buddy.
Thanks to her, we got some help. If she left, who would have helped us, Arvind?
First ask her to apply for the license.
Oh, stop saying that again and again.
Hi. Heard that you're in prison for 2 days. Are you scared?
Who are you, madam?
She's my friend. She's come to see me. Don't forget, this is my room as well. Buddy,
Buddy.
come inside.
Thanks, buddy. You saved my ego.
First, I have to vacate this flat.
I'll come wherever you go. Yo.
Did this guy get all these cups?
Yes. These cups belong to Mr. Arvind. Once he comes back from office, he cleans them and only then he goes to sleep. Huh?
Yeah, mom. Okay, mother. Okay, mom. Okay, mom.
What happened?
She saw a girl from me. The girl is in Chennai only. She's asking me to meet and talk to the girl. If I like the girl, mom will fix a marriage immediately. I'll get her number now.
Buddy,
Buddy?
I need to talk to you separately. Can you please come there?
What?
I'm the one who's getting disturbed here. Aren't you upset? You were busy drinking tea.
I was shocked to hear he's going to see a girl. But then he said he's going to make a call. 5 minutes he talks to a girl. That's all. The matter will end.
I think his mother sent the number.
Run.
Hello? Could I speak to Miss Indra, please? Hi, my mother told me to call you. I would like to meet you. No problem. I'll be waiting for you. I'll text you my address. Yeah, bye. She'll be here within half hour.
Okay.
Buddy, when my future wife comes and she see another girl in this flat, she'll definitely mistake that. So you send your friend out, okay? Thank you.
Leave. I said leave.
I'm going.
Irritating.
Check this out.
Wait a sec. Are you gonna meet her in formals? I think you should wear something casual, buddy.
You also leave.
What? Leave? Why?
Yeah, I want privacy. Because she is my fiancée.
She's the one who has to decide that.
Get out.
Hey, come, buddy. He chased you away too.
No, nothing like that. I was just getting bored, that's all. It's my flat as well.
Prestige?
Hey, keep quiet. You didn't leave?
I want to see her.
You're jealous?
Huh?
There, she's calm.
I've arrived.
Oh my god. She's so
Left
tall.
side block,
She
right?
must be about my height. Oh, Just look at her. She looks like one of those ramp models. She's really beautiful. You have tough competition.
Yes, I'm coming right up. It's the 4th floor, right?
Oh, yeah, 4th floor. I think he's directing the way from top. Huh? I'm sure he'll impress her and she'll agree to marry him.
If it happens, I'll shave my head.
You're quite capable of doing it. You're weird.
I'm Arvind Sivaswamy, Master of Science in Computer Science, MS CS.
I know. And I'm Indra.
I know.
Come, buddy.
No,
Come.
it's wrong. Don't. We shouldn't go on top. No.
Avoid the lift. Let's go by other route.
Where are you taking me?
This certificate, when I was in 1st standard, 1330 Tirukural. I net and said on stage. For that, collector gave me the certificate. See?
I shouldn't have listened to her. She's gonna put me in trouble.
Shut up and walk.
Oh, what's gonna happen?
Just one more floor.
Another floor?
Same 1st standard. I participated in drawing.
The 1st standard?
Yeah. First prize.
Hey, this window only, no?
I don't know.
It's your house
I'm
only.
outside most of the times. Don't peep into anybody else's house. They'll kill us.
Hey, I know. Only this window.
Hey, don't open it. That's the neighbor's bathroom. Open this window. Open it. What happened? You have a blank face.
Look.
My buddy must have impressed her by now. Let me see.
When I retrieved the bike, there's no engine in the bike, madam.
Oh my god, he's telling her the whole damn story.
Are you tired? Oh, I'm sorry. We'll go somewhere and talk.
More? Hello? What? An accident? When? Okay. I'll come immediately.
Any problem?
Yes.
What?
My friend got into an accident. She's admitted in the hospital right now. Okay, I have to go now. Catch you later. Oh my god.
Excuse me, this side is the exit.
I'll go out somehow.
Mother? No, Mom, I didn't do anything. I was just talking to... Okay, Mom, I'll go and apologize.
Welcome. Would you like to have coffee?
She's gone.
Why?
Called her up.
She might have switched off. She won't switch on for a month. Girls of this century doesn't need a good man. They want an efficient man. We can observe a good man, adore him, can call him role model, but cannot live together.
Don't look at me. Listen to her.
Take me for example. I'll say 10 lies minimum per day.
Maximum?
That has no account.
Super, continue.
I'll go on road. If 4 guys laugh at me, I'll smile back at one. Only then the next day that one will save me from the other 3. My smile was fake, but I have to laugh.
Correct. It's for your safety.
When a girl has to come back home safe after going out for a day, to everyone she faces, she has to be a little honest and act more.
Brother, if you're gonna be innocent, everyone will take you for a ride. They'll stamp and walk over you. Buddy, enough now. Come on, tell him everything.
And you know, I have been following you for 6 months.
More than 6 months? She's lying. We get introduced only in the traffic jam.
Buddy, that's when you saw at the signal. She likes your character and has been following you for the past 6 months. She knows head to tail about you. She likes you a lot.
That too? You didn't look at me. Some good guy hit you and pushed you to me.
He's the reason for all.
Buddy, get to the point. Stop wasting time.
It is very difficult to live like you. At least, I can live with you.
Huh?
Ah ha ha ha. She's finally proposed you. What do you have to say about this, buddy? Come on, tell me. I'm really eager to know.
Enough of your praisings. Get lost.
Who?
Only you, brother.
Me, buddy? But why?
Bro, get out, bro.
Buddy, this is not fair. It's okay, I'll leave. Catch you in a while. Why is he standing like a statue? Huh?
Oh, it's wrong. I won't come.
Then let me come.
Oh my god, it's a bear! Hey.
Yeah,
Hey, stop there. Come here. I said come here.
Oh, it's not a bear, huh? Satya?
Hey, he is a tribal who comes here to take honey. To reach Agastya Kudam, we have to cross one big river from here.
Very good. So we don't have to go, right?
He'll help us to reach that side. You come, buddy.
Bad fellow. Oh, is there any necessity for all this?
Don't be afraid, buddy. Life is an adventure.
But is this not too much of an adventure? One lady voice in the car guided us to a forest. Another fellow brought us to an even denser forest on boat. Now from here, who is going to take us where? God only knows. Huh? You know a fact, I'm feeling hungry.
The moment we meet Yogi, your thirst and hunger will go. You come with me.
As if he's running a fast food restaurant there. All items will be ready. Tiger fry, lion cutlets, pepper bear.
Will you please shut up and come with me?
Hey Satya, just wait there. After all, where are we going now? Listen to me, let us go back.
Hey, buddy, if you want, you can go back. Come what may, without meeting Maheshwar Yogi, I will not go back home. Whatever obstacles I meet, I will face it.
A very disturbing thought is actually haunting your mind. Two years and 6 days back, a very holy and sacred land you have registered in your own name. Do you remember? The evil spirits that are waiting to devour you, you have purchased with your own money. That's fate. The fate that cannot be changed. Those spirits have been resting in that soil. It's been a very long time. To complete 12 long years, just simply 13 more days left. And before that, a devastation. From that soil. If you allow the spirits to escape, then none of the chantings or prayers can stop any of them. They'll devastate everything.
Swami, is there any solution for that?
The ones they are searching for should come and stand in front of them. That's the only way out. The remaining 13 days that we have, you should be there in person, in that soil where the spirits lie. The day when the new moon ends, I shall be there. Till then, you listen to what I have to say. From the four corners of Shambhagam Fort, you procure the sand and you bring it to me here. Saviji is in the forest, he doesn't know. In the city, if you try to dig and procure sand, it's a legal affair. Be careful. Those evil spirits are actually wanting death for you and your family. You have to defeat death. Only death. What is this guy going to do with the sand? I don't know. He might want to stuff it in some other fellow's mouth. Let us go and bring some sand from somewhere else. Whether it is from Shambhagam Fort or elsewhere, how will he know?
Please keep quiet. What Swami had told me is my family destruction. You can't take this thing seriously, but I have to take it very seriously.
Oh my god, you took it seriously or what? What do you want actually? You want sand from Shambhagam Fort. I'll go and get it. After all, with me, no spirit will play. Finally, I have reached Shambhagam Fort. If we utter the name of any bungalow or fort, immediately the sages will say, spirits will be loitering around there. These spirits won't sleep in small houses or what? Luxurious spirits. The holy abode of spirits. In love we sing duet. In love we say duet of the sword. Oh my god. Now where are these spirits? Where are these fellows? Okay. Where are the spirits? Inside? Where are the spirits staying, man? In the first floor or the ground floor? Hey! First corner. These spirits only get to wear white on white or what? Or will they be new generation? But if you happen to see the new generation kids of today, even the spirits will get scared of them. This is the second corner. The sage will first ask us to take mud from all four corners. Then he will ask us to take money from 4 different banks. If you ask about the third corner, this one. Now this is the fourth corner. Oh, over. Now straight away to the sage's head. Now I've done my job. That's Who opened the door now? Hey. Hey, somebody opened the door. What's wrong? Nice smell of chicken. So that means people are staying here, huh? Hello? 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 Hey, where are you? Oh, here. Oh, here. Hello? There is a guest for you. A very important guest. Wow, what a wonderful setup, man. Hey, Sage, you said that only spirits are here. But there are for sure people living here. So the setup is not here alone. It's there also. Just because nobody is staying in this house, you're cooking your own sort of delicacies, huh? Hey, you come in front of me, dear. If you are so shy of facing me, I want to see you. Hello? Eh? Hey? Huh. So, this kitchen has not been used. Ah, it's parcel food, huh? Hey, see how I caught you? Hello? Sweetheart? Hey, what is this? You have started staying here all alone and now you are playing with me or what? Please come out of your hiding. Ah? Oh, I was here, then I went there and then went to the other room.